Tastefully renewed 3/2/2 home on a corner 1+ acre lot with circular drive and an extra 2-car, 30*x36, detached garage/workshop. This quiet and private location, due to trees that keep you secluded, in the prestigious Pine Ridge community will not disappoint. Almost everything is new in this home: 2020 new roof, 2020 new appliances, new 24 LED recessed lighting, new ceiling fans, new interior paint, in most rooms, new screen in the Lanai, 2020 new Drainfield, new generator-ready connections, and that's not all. This one-of-kind home with innumerable upgrades has plenty of space to roam and comes with an alarm system, extended Lanai area, its own well for irrigation, and a huge 30*36 detached garage/workshop with a half bath, refrigerator, countertops, and commercial exhaust fan. The only thing that this home is missing is you, and paired with the cordial atmosphere of the prestigious Pine Ridge community, you will reside in joy and comfort. Hurry, at this price it won't last.